on its digital transformation journey. We welcome talented IT professionals from the areas of software, ML, DevOps, SRE to unlock significant value to TSMC and to ignite innovation in the semiconductor industry and its extended supply chain customers.
Hi everybody, I'm Chris. It's wonderful to spend a little bit of time with everybody to talk about TSMC and TSMC's digital transformation. Now, first thing first, I think a lot of you may have heard about TSMC, but I want to spend a little bit of time to explain and give you a next level of detail so that we can frame our conversation a little bit. TSMC's mission is to be the trusted technology and capacity provider to the global IC industry. Now, let me paraphrase that for you. Since all your life, all your surroundings are now being empowered with a lot of chips, and these becomes part of your daily life, and our companies provide support for some of the most innovative companies of the world. Basically, we create an innovation platform so that these great innovative companies can deliver great products to you, including from not just mobile phone, computer, AI chips, server, cloud services, as well as your automobile. So these are all the things that's powered the current day civilization. Now, you can read all the detail about the company's statistics, but let me show you another face of TSMC. TSMC is not only the first and also the most important dedicated foundry for semiconductor company. We are also a very innovative company. We rank top amongst the world in terms of the patent and innovations and all those other things. So that's really, really important. The other piece is also, don't think about this as a market cap, but think about us as being one of the most important companies of the world to power a lot of aspects of our important economic and social and technical infrastructure, and that's being recognized by the global investors. Now, we not only is, by all indicators, some of the leading company, the most important companies of the world. The other part is that TSMC is very wholeheartedly embracing the green, renewable energy and want to do good for the world. And that's really important. Basically, we have soul, and we love having a soul. It's not all about profit. It's about doing right things for the right world, and then help the world become better. Now, back to the business. TSMC has been growing, but you will notice that in recent years, we're growing really, really quickly. And it's not to tout we have great business, but also to lead into a conversation that is, at this rapid pace of growth, we need to change. TSMC need to change. And the way we change is actually embark on a digital transformation journey. This is where a lot of intellectual property, a lot of innovation, a lot of IT talents can come in and help out. Now, as you may know, TSMC has been using the innovation and execution prowess to continue to deliver leading technology. We have been the first to deliver N7 technology, which is some of the most advanced product that you get today. The N5 is another leading technology that we deliver first. And N3 is going to be delivered pretty soon, which is also yet another leading technology for the whole world to continue to innovate on. Now, another aspect of TSMC is our culture. We don't look at short term. We build long-term relationship with our customer. We build those trusts over the years. We help them to grow, and we win together. And that's really a big part of the TSMC culture. We partner. We work together. That's really, really important. Now, back to the focus on if you are an IT background person, how can you make an impact in this company and for the world? Now, if you think about it, we kind of summarize this in one phrase. TSMC Fab runs on code. TSMC Fab runs on code. That is, IT doesn't stand behind or hide behind any screen or any function. We stand side by side with our business. Okay? Whether it's about automating the fab operation, provide more people productivity, enhance the skill and enhance the yield, and also improve the speed of R&D, we are open to all kinds of challenges and opportunity and go solve problem together with our business partner. On the other side, you can think of TSMC has a huge ecosystem. It's not just the supplier that help us produce the semiconductor. It's also our customer, the intellectual property provider, and the whole design environment. We need to work together to move forward, to keep innovation coming. And all of this is not done by individual hand manual work. A lot of these needs the power of modern day technology. That's why we term this TSMC fab runs on code. Now, if you think about the rapid growth that I just talked about, how can we sustain that? And that is why in recent years, we have went through a transformation within IT as well. We brought in the most modern cloud-native technology. We revamped our technology stack. Not only that, we are also bringing in modern software companies that development principle and discipline to help change us, not just as an IT company, but as a software company, to bring those impact together. Now, if you think about what work you get to do, actually, we have a very complete roadmap in terms of the area we want to focus on, whether it's about intelligent manufacturing, about our supply chain, or about our cloud computing stack, or about all kinds of other things that can modernize the way we work. We are putting together all our energy and focus so that work is not only more productive, but also more enjoyable. So for folks who are wondering if TSMC is leveraging AI, the short answer is yes, and actually quite a bit. But due to confidentiality reason, I cannot really share with you all the details over there. But I think that you can rest assured on two things. One, if you are in this discipline, you will have a lot of opportunities to make an impact. And then two, you'll have a lot of fun because some of the problems you get to work on is probably not available elsewhere other than TSMC. So I encourage you, if you're in this discipline, this is a wonderful opportunity to also explore the match and way to make an impact. So thank you very much for your time. I wish you well. So for folks who want to join TSMC IT, I think you should know that TSMC, for the record, has people who just arrived and also have people who has been here for many, many, many years. And that tells you that your career opportunity is almost limitless. You can continue to grow with the company. You can go into different functions. You can play different roles. So your opportunity, I would say, is where your heart belongs. You can pursue it here for sure. And you get to learn a lot too. So that's on the career opportunity. Now, in terms of skill set, if you're in the IT domain, what I encourage you to do is actually go beyond what you learned in school and actually branch out to learn even more. That is, for example, if you learn how to do programming, the language, you should go out and understand more about the modern software technology stack. What are the other options and choices that you get to use for designing stuff? So in other words, learn how to do software engineering as a discipline, not just stop yourself at the programming level. So that's one suggestion I have for you. The other part, because IT is a very, very long journey and interesting journey, you get to reinvent yourself every few years. And you have to get your learning muscle in. That is, you have to have the passion to continuously learn. And learn how to learn will become a very important part of skill set. That will give you a very rewarding career and keep your curiosity up and keep your continuously innovation and all the output keep going. So that's what I would recommend you to do.
Define problems and fine-tune needs.
Make everything possible by AI.
Willing to take more challenge.
Colleagues are very respectful, pleasing to help, assist, which helps to push our class boundaries, and easy assimilation.
Eager to learn new technology.
Don't set your own limits. Try everything and do your best.
Keep your passion, keep your love, and build your own stage in TSMC. Make the world see you.
Enjoy teamwork.